come to Atlanta a couple of other times. It's been awesome to bring my music here. To be able to be here in such a music-rich area and to be able to play for people here really means a lot. As a musician, being able to be on the road and going to a totally different place is really cool. I really love being able to get a chance to eat at a local restaurant or go to a local bookstore or go to a music shop if I can, to try to get a feel for the city, because it makes that connection a lot stronger. When it comes to creating songs, my process starts with just living day-to-day life. Really anywhere, whether I'm on the road or at home, I'm always collecting fragments of either lines from maybe a book I'm reading or a movie or a show that I've watched, or even a song that I really like. I think what makes my music stand out is the fact that I pretty much just blend all these different influences and encapsulates all of the styles of American music. My main focus when I'm writing a song is that there's got to be a really nice groove and there's got to be really cool melody. Getting on that stage and starting to play, it's like, this is worth it. This is why I'm here. When I'm performing, my main purpose is to create an atmosphere where everybody feels welcome. I know what it can feel like to kind of be on the outside looking in and not feeling like you fit in anywhere. I want my shows and my music to allow for people from all walks of life to feel like they can be part of it. So if we can all get together and just hang out and share music, I think that makes life worth living, you know?